I just find trees really beautiful. And to me, they are the most beautiful. Like, they're beautiful up and they're beautiful down. To me, they're just one of the most amazing natural phenomena. Like, they've adapted to all different climates around the world, and the fact that they've evolved to grow so huge and so old. There's nothing more magical than being like 12 feet off the ground, feeling part of nature, knowing that you're not damaging anything, and you're just hanging out in a place where, like, until recently, humans haven't been really able to inhabit before. The whole reason for doing this was just purely selfish. I've always wanted a tree house. So the whole idea was I wanted a tree house that I could take with me anywhere. It's really about having minimal impact and making a usable space with the minimum material. So this can sleep up to 6 people, but it comes in a bag, you know, that size. A lot of people are already starting to think about, you know, different ways of camping, and over the last 5 years the hammock industry has just exploded, and that's because people just want to be able to camp anywhere. It's got applications all over. I mean, especially in the kind of conservation world and the adventurer world, the extreme world, people who want more out of their camping experience and who want to see things that you can't usually see and camp where you can't usually camp.